Hello everyone, I'm Shalaka Deshpande. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to take lecture on introduction to C programming. So I'm sharing the PPTs. So basically, first we will see what are the components of C program, and we will see some basics about computers and what is software, what is operating system. We will see these basics, and then we will see a sample program to add two numbers. Okay. Now, computers can neither think and make decision on its own. It is not possible for any computer to independently analyze a given data and find solution on its own. Okay, so here the computer is not that intelligent. Intelligence of computer is imparted by human beings. We have to impart intelligence to the computer. They cannot think by their own. It needs a program which will convey what is to be done. A program is a set of logically related instructions that is arranged in a sequence that directs computer in solving a problem. What is a program? It is a sequence of instructions and it directs a computer to perform a particular task. System software is a collection of a program that interfaces with hardware. Now, what is hardware and what is software? See, system software and hardware, when they are integrated, they form a particular computer system. So system software's example are language translator. Now, what does this language translator do? Language translator is a system software that transforms computer program written by user into form that can be understood by machine. Okay, so basically what does language translator do? It translates the code into the language of ones and zeros, which is understood by machine. Operating system is the most important system software required to operate a computer system. We know what are the types of operating system: Windows, Linux, Unix, Ubuntu. Why they are required to operate a computer system, to run it properly. What does operating system do is it provides interface between humans and computers. Humans can react with computers via operating system. It manages computer resources effectively and takes care of scheduling multiple jobs for execution. OS manages flow of data and instructions between input-output units and main memory. In the computer, there is a flow of data and instructions, and that flow of data and instructions between input-output units, that is our keyboard, screen, and a main memory, is managed by operating system. A user application program is written by programmer by packages or programming language. It enables a computer to solve a specific data processing task. Now, what is a user application program? The program which is written by programmer by using a particular programming language. Okay, and for data processing task, we are writing the programs. Components of C programs. First component of C program is a preprocessor directive. All C programs are made up of one or more functions each performing a particular task. The first line of C program hash includes stdio h. Now this hash includes stdio h. First line of C program is a preprocessor directive. It tells the compiler to include information about standard input output library. Okay, this is called as a preprocessor directive. In a C program, preprocessor directive should come first followed by global variable definitions if any. After these functions follow. Now this preprocessor directive should come first, and after that there is a global variable definitions and then the functions like main. So basically there are few functions which are already inbuilt into C library and we can use those functions with help of preprocessor directive. Okay. Next is main function. Execution of C program start at the beginning of a main function. When function is called, it is provided with list of arguments or parameters. The program execution begins after the main function. And what is the function? Function, whenever it is called, it passes the list of values and arguments. After function, we have parenthesis, that is round bracket open and close. That is called as a parenthesis, and there are arguments which are present inside those parentheses, but it is not compulsory that every time arguments will be present. The main function An opening brace following the main function. Its parameters list makes beginning of function body and end of function body is indicated by closing brace. So after main function, we have opening brace to write the body of function. What is inside the body of function? In the function body, variable declaration statements are added. First, variable declaration is done. Then statements specify computing operations necessary to achieve the desired result. After declaration of variable, there are few statements which leads to computing operations on those variables. Okay, variables hold value during the computation. So whatever the computing operations we are doing, they are in the form of statements. Next is standard library routines. Okay, now what is standard library routines? Printf, scanf, these are the functions which are already inbuilt into C library. We don't have to write separate code for it. We just have to call those functions. Okay. So printf is a call to standard library function. Printf, these are commonly used computations that are required in many programs. Instead of making every programmer to write code for such computations, C provides a standard library of commonly used functions. All C compilers have standard library, which is collection of commonly used C functions for use by other C programs. The C libraries have many commonly used functions which we can use in our C program. We don't have to write a separate program for those functions because those functions are common and they're used most of the times in many programs. The prototypes of these functions are specified in a standard set of header files. Okay. So next is a new line character, which is nothing but \n. Printf routine is a routine that functions that prints or displays argument at terminal or a video screen. What we are doing when we are using printf function, whatever is inside the brackets, argument of a function, that is displayed on the video screen of your computer. Okay. So printf routine is a function that prints or displays argument at terminal or on the video screen. The last two characters in the string, namely \n and letter n, together are known as a new line character. \n. It tells the C system to go to a new line. Any character printed after a new line will appear on the next line of terminal or a display. Okay, so it will appear on the next line of terminal after using the \n. So basically, what are the sections of C program? First is a pre-processing directive, second is a global variable declaration, and third are functions. So next is components in adding comments. Comments are explanatory remarks made within a program. They help to understand what complete program is about. Any line or text bounded by asterisks and enclosed within slashes is a comment. What does a comment do? It gives us the meaning of every command which is used in a program. So comments are optional while writing program. If a programmer wants to write a comment, he can write comment and explain what the program is all about, what is the meaning of commands, or he can exclude that. I mean to say comments are not compulsory. Okay. Now let's see the example of a C program. First, we have include standard input output library includes stadio.h. Then there is a int main function as the program start after the main function. So there is an opening bracket. Then there is a variable declaration int a comma b comma result. We have declared three variables of type integer. Then there is a printf. In printf function where the enter any two numbers will be displayed on your computer screen. Then you will enter two numbers and those two numbers are taken input by scanf. Scanf takes the input from user. Okay, so there is a %d, ampersand a and b. Two numbers are taken input by scanf. And those two numbers are integers. That's why we are using %d. Then there is a computation. Result is equal to a plus b semicolon. Then again, printf result of addition is %d comma result. So result will be printed on your video screen. Then we have getch, okay, and then return 0. All right, so that's all about today's lecture. Thank you for watching today's lecture. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below. I hope you have understood the lecture. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.